Beautiful.
Ooh, this is Madame Panini of Pepperoni, episode 3. Subscribe, please. Okay, today we will see what happened to that bum. That bum that I told the future, he will be a bum. He will probably be killed soon. So, today we will check on that bum. 1 second, we will have a short intermission. Okay, sit down and I'm gonna make it run over you. Okay. Okay, now we are back. Shut up, shut up. Shut up, you stupid bum. Okay. You stupid bum. Okay, shut up. Get into place, get into place. This is the bum. The poor bum. She's sitting in her house and oh no, she's on the highway. She got run over by a truck. Oh wait, look. She got run over by a truck. Let's look at that car crash. What did that truck say? Bum busters. We deliver. 1-800-KILL-THE... Yeah, you know what I mean. What is that driver thing? Oh my god. Okay, let's do an instant replay. Ooh. There's the bomb. And there's that truck.